Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Light Path. I am Irshad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. Topic is Global Lives Matters. Killing of humanity is going on sometimes and somewhere in slow motion, while other times or in other places in fast motions. Aboriginal lives matters, atheist lives matters, black lives matters, Buddhist lives matters, Chinese lives matters, Christian lives matters, Hindus lives matters, Jewish lives matters, Muslim lives matters, white lives matters, and in gays lesbian lives matter, and in simple term global lives matters without any discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, nationality, global agenda on Holocaust and genocide. Let us join together and stand firmly without any discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, language, nationality, etc. on no more Holocaust, no more genocide. Neither in slow motion nor in fast motion like Jewish had faced during Second World War in the past, and nor in slow motion like Aboriginal, atheist, black, Buddhist, Chinese, Christians, Hindus, Jewish, Muslim, white, etc. are facing now. Islam never permits to hurt or hate anyone regardless of any discrimination. No Muslim is Muslim if she hurts innocent civilians, hospitals, worship places, and institutions, etc., regardless of any discrimination. Islam never permits to capture others' lands or wiping out others either in slow motion or in fast motion. In steps like Palestinians are facing without or at once in fast motion like Holocaust or genocide of Jews at one time during Second World War, no fighting for land. Forgiveness is the key to start with, but it must be true love, forgiving, not like forgiving now and then wiping out next, and then again forgiving and wiping out again. In this case, it will be hidden secret agenda to wipe out minority or weak or oppressed. In current situation, independent and unbiased, true human-loving UN forces must help to ease the tension around. Otherwise, there is no use of UN, and it must be dissolved then. We cannot accept any more massacre, genocide, Holocaust, etc. of 99% of innocent human suffering because of 1% or maybe 0.1% terrorists around the globe. We condemn all kinds of individual and state terrorism. We have seen when people of Papua Guinea raised voices, with few, within few years, UN went there and made an independent state for them from Indonesia. While there are many Muslims around the world are badly suffering for several decades and are being wiped out due to their hidden secret agenda, in which Palestine, Kashmir, and many others are the first, and no such help to bring peace in the region, and still they don't have internationally recognized independent state. United Nations must be ready to abandon any laws which might hurt economy of general public in such a way which helps to move forward by forgiving and forgetting the past, but also taking lessons from the past. It must follow the basic rules, tax the greedy, not the needy. Free education must be provided to all with internationally recognized good high standards, which must encourage good parent-teacher relations. World has enough to feed but not greed. The United Nations must balance the production cost globally in relation to gold currency. You cannot buy whole world with gold since gold is a little tiny part of the whole world. Rather, it is a reference point. Save global people regardless of any discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, language, nationality, etc. It will sure help saving businesses with 100% guaranteed. Let us join together to help build whole new world with true love and mercy for all humanity without any discrimination of religion, race, color, gender, language, nationality, etc. There will be no closed door meetings and no hidden secret agenda, and where global lives matter, not just one or two. Repeatedly relying on same corrupt or incompetent person will not change the fortune of a nation. Do not even think to reappoint those who were failed to protect the corruption in the land. Thank you.